Ant. Ant. Ant is a small animal with one or more pairs of long antennae. They live in highly organized social structures, often building ant colonies and working together to nurture larvae and search for food. Cow. Cow. Cow is a large domesticated ungulate, commonly raised for milk or meat production. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep is a woolly mammal, typically raised for wool, meat, and milk production. Goose. Goose. Goose is a waterfowl bird, often raised for eggs or meat. Horse. Horse. Horse is a large domesticated mammal, commonly used for riding, pulling carts, or sports. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken is a domesticated bird, raised for eggs or meat. Goat. Goat. Goat is a small domesticated ungulate, raised for milk or meat production. Pig. Donkey. Donkey. Donkey is a smaller domesticated ungulate, often used for pulling carts or as a riding animal. Duck. Duck. Duck is a waterfowl bird, commonly raised for eggs. Squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel is a small mammal with sharp incisors, typically living in forests and consuming nuts, fruits, or insects.